guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to activate eSIM on Android. Activating eSIM on Android device typically involves a few steps, but the specific can vary depending on the manufacturer and model on the phone, as well as your mobile carrier support for eSIM. And here's a general guide. First is check your compatibility. Ensure that your Android device supports eSIM technology. Most modern smartphones releases in recent years offer eSIM functionality, but it's always best to verify compatibility with your specific device model. The process for getting eSIM with Ansel is mentioned below. First is accessing Ansel users. You need to type citizenship number, email ID, and send SMS to 17125. And SIM will be upgraded to eSIM post verification. And this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.